Hi students, so today I am discussing lesson number 3 answers of worksheet first. So let's check your answer with this video. So this will really going to help you. So number first is very short question answer. In this you have to mention whether the statement is true or false. So question number first is the liquid part of the blood called plasma. Its answer is true. Next question is sieve tube help in functioning of companion cell. Its answer is false. Next is apical meristem are situated below the bark. Its answer is also false. Next is veins of leaves have both xylem and phloem. Yes, its answer is true because leaves need water for its growth and it also expelled out water by the process of transpiration and it store food, so that's why it have both xylem and phloem. Next is ciliated epithelium are found in the lining of the small intestine, so its answer is false. Okay, so first answer is true, second is false, third is false, fourth is true, and last is false. And next question is name the kind of tissue found. So you have to name the tissue which are found in this. So beneath the epidermis of the skin, which tissue are found? Stratified epithelium tissue. Next is in the leaf stalk and below the epidermis. In the leaf stalk and below the epidermis, which tissue are found? Collenchyma tissue. Next is at the tip of roots and stem, apical meristematic tissue. Its answer is apical meristematic tissue. In glandular ducts and salivary gland, cuboidal epithelium tissue. Its answer is cuboidal epithelium tissue, which are found in glandular ducts and salivary glands. So next question is you have to give the one word for the following statements. Cells which store food in a potato. Which cell stored food as in a potato? Its answer is parenchyma cells. Tissue that help in determining the age of the tree by counting its annual ring. Which tissue? Xylem. So you have to write down its answer is xylem rings. Tissue that connects various organs. Which tissue connects various organs? Connective tissue. As its name indicate, connective tissue connects the various organs to each other. Muscle that are in our control. Its answer is striated muscles. Next is give reason. You have to give the reason. Why does xylem and phloem called conductive tissue? So I'm dictating it. Just write down its answer and listen it very carefully. Write down like this: because xylem and phloem both conduct water and food for the plant. That's why they are known as conducting tissue. I'm repeating it again. Because xylem and phloem both conduct water and food for the plant. That's why it is known as a conducting tissue. Next is cluster of eggs cannot be considered as a tissue. I think you had wrote this answer in your fair notebook. Okay, this question is also given in your book exercise. So you had already wrote it because I had already discussed this answer with you in Snap Homework app. Okay, through audio I had discussed all the question answer of this lesson number 3. So this question is in your exercise book. So I am discussing it again. Cluster of egg cannot be considered as a tissue. Why? Because, just write it down. Because eggs are made up of a single cell. I am writing over here. Eggs, you have to write down from because. Okay, first you have to write down because eggs are made up of a single cell. Made up of a single cell. Only after dividing it makes group of cell that further makes tissue. makes tissue, and that's why it will not consider. Now you can write it down from the question itself. Okay, that's why it will not consider as a cluster of, it was not considered as a tissue. So you have to write it down, because eggs are made up of a single cell. Only after dividing it makes group of cell that further makes tissue. That's why we will not consider egg as a tissue. Okay, because as I had discussed you earlier, because egg are made up of only a one cell. Okay, it will not divide. Only after dividing it will start making further group of cell that will make tissue, and tissue will make organ, and group of organ will make a organ system. I had already discussed all these things with you when I had taught you a chapter. So I had already discussed all these things with you. So its answer is this. So you can write it down from here. Eggs are made up of a single cell only after single cell only, then you